Why should justice merely correct when it can transform? In the complex weave of modern society, transformative justice emerges not just as a method, but as a necessity, redefining the very essence of constitutional law and equity. At its core, transformative justice seeks to address and redress the root causes of inequality and injustice, focusing particularly on the experiences and needs of marginalized communities. Unlike traditional approaches that often prioritize punitive measures, transformative justice aims to promote healing, community empowerment, and systemic change. One of the most compelling aspects of transformative justice is its rights-based approach. This perspective expands the interpretation of constitutional rights to include not only civil and political rights, but also economic, social, and cultural rights. It acknowledges that these rights are inherently interconnected and that true justice can only be achieved by addressing all aspects of an individual's life. Furthermore, transformative justice advocates for structural remedies. This means implementing affirmative action programs, offering reparations for historical injustices, and pushing for institutional reforms. These actions are designed not just to amend, but to overhaul the existing systems that perpetuate inequality, ensuring that equity and inclusion are at the foundation of societal structures. Another pillar of transformative justice is participatory decision-making. This approach democratizes the legal process, involving community members, especially those from marginalized groups, in public consultations, community forums, and participatory budgeting initiatives. It empowers individuals, giving them a voice and stake in the legal and policy decisions that affect their lives directly. However, the path of transformative justice is strewn with challenges. There is significant resistance from entrenched power structures that benefit from maintaining the status quo. Legal conservatism and reluctance towards social change are substantial barriers. Moreover, practical challenges such as limited resources, institutional inertia, and opposition from conservative elements within the judiciary and policy-making spheres further complicate the implementation of transformative justice principles. Looking ahead, the integration of an intersectional analysis in constitutional law appears promising. This approach would take into account the unique experiences and challenges faced by individuals who find themselves at the intersections of multiple marginalized identities, providing a more nuanced and effective justice system. Grassroots movements and community organizing are also expected to play a pivotal role. These movements are the lifeblood of transformative justice, driving the collective action necessary for advocating and implementing legal reforms that target systemic inequalities. In conclusion, transformative justice represents a radical reimagining of what justice can and should be. It champions a shift from a system that merely punishes to one that fundamentally transforms, ensuring that all community members, especially the most vulnerable, have access to a just and equitable society. As we move forward, the principles of transformative justice offer a beacon of hope for a more inclusive and fair world, where every individual's rights are recognized and respected in their entirety.